But most importantly, what I think about most of these cryptocurrencies, it just identifies how much money laundering there is being done in the world.
A financial titan, once a staunch skeptic of cryptocurrencies, does a full 180 and dives headfirst into the crypto pool. Yes, Larry Fink is now singing a different tune about Bitcoin, and his company is promising to lead the crypto world to acquire a Bitcoin ETF. Unbelievable. In this video, we're diving right into the story of Larry Fink's crypto crusade. What has he got up his sleeves? In the high-stakes world of global finance, few names ring as loud as Larry Fink, the big boss at BlackRock, the Godzilla of asset management firms. Now, it's almost unimaginable that this financial titan, known for his initial no-thank-you attitude towards Bitcoin and its digital cousins, does a dramatic flip.
Don't your clients want crypto exposure?
No, I don't believe any client has sought out crypto exposure.
Really?
Yes.
But at some point they might. Do you need to be prepared?
I don't, at the moment, no.
Larry Fink now sees a future in Bitcoin.
The need for crypto, and I think there's more people running into a flight to quality, whether that is in treasuries, gold, or crypto, depending on how you think about it. And I believe crypto will play that type of role as a flight to quality.
Let's roll back the tape to 2017, the days when Fink sounded more like a Bitcoin basher than a believer. Words like volatile, risky, and unregulated were thrown around in boardrooms concerning Bitcoin during those times. For many of these financial bigwigs, it was like a roller coaster without safety belts, thrilling but not quite something you trust your retirement savings with. And Larry Fink was no exception when it came to those who were skeptical about this digital gold. He famously called Bitcoin an index of money laundering back in 2017, and you could almost hear the crypto world's collective gasp. Now, what is that supposed to mean? By likening Bitcoin to a tool for money laundering, Fink was questioning its legitimacy and viability as a mainstream financial asset.
I'm horrified on one point, how do we preserve the system from cyber problems? Because if the whole world is using this one network for financial transaction, it presents a lot of systemic risk.
So does he now think that the same Bitcoin is legitimate enough to be trusted? As we fast forward, we witness a seismic shift in Fink's stance. Suddenly, it's not all doom and gloom in Fink's crypto world. In fact, he's now eyeing Bitcoin as a potential revolutionary asset in the finance sector. Why did the man steering the ship of the world's largest asset manager, overseeing trillions? Yes, with a T, pivot so drastically? Here on the Incorruptible Money Education channel, we demystify the complex world of finance, providing reliable news and a comprehensive financial literacy to you. We guide you through the intricacies of managing money, investing wisely, and making informed financial decisions. So if your goal is to foster financial independence and confidence and navigate the economic landscape with clarity and foresight, then click the subscription button and turn on your notification bell to join this community of financial enthusiasts. So we've seen the CEO of BlackRock, the big kahuna of the asset management world, go from giving Bitcoin the cold shoulder to practically waltzing with it in the moonlight. It's like watching a rom-com where the protagonist suddenly realizes the love of their life was right there all along. Could it be that the smell of potential profits was too sweet to ignore? Or maybe Fink had a crypto epiphany, seeing Bitcoin as more than just a digital fad, but a real player in the future of finance. Let's peel the back layers and uncover the why behind the what. First up, I think he finally noticed that the market demanded it. When asked if he didn't think his clients would want to explore crypto, he spoke up for them, saying they wouldn't be interested. Fink's assumption turned out to be wrong. No one wanted to be left paddling behind the crypto craze, including BlackRock's clients. Of course, the pressure's on from competitors too. Imagine sitting at the big boys table and everyone's bragging about their shiny new crypto toys. Fink's not one to be left holding the old school bag. And when Fink decided to join the team, he had not just changed his mind about his earlier skepticisms. He says he's fascinated by it and is encouraged by how many people are focusing on it. And he's even taking some wild steps that could eventually evolve the whole crypto industry. Today, BlackRock, the world's largest asset manager, is making significant strides in the cryptocurrency sphere, showcasing their commitment to not only advancing crypto trading but also democratizing it. CEO Larry Fink's vision extends beyond institutional investors. He recognizes the transformative power of ETFs in democratizing investing and sees this as a pivotal moment for BlackRock to lead this change. Their recent move to file a Bitcoin exchange-traded fund ETF application with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, is a game changer. signaling a seismic shift in how institutional investors can access and interact with Bitcoin, BTC. By introducing an ETF, BlackRock is potentially opening the floodgates for an influx of institutional investment into Bitcoin. Making crypto investments more accessible to a broader public also implies that BlackRock is not just participating in the crypto market, they are reshaping it. Fink's perspective aligns with the growing trend of financial inclusivity, aiming to break down the barriers that have traditionally kept everyday investors out of certain investment opportunities, particularly in the crypto space. This approach could significantly change the way people perceive and engage with cryptocurrencies, moving them from a niche or speculative investment to a more mainstream financial asset. And analysts are already predicting an explosion in the BTC market. Fueled by this increased accessibility and legitimacy a BlackRock-backed ETF could provide. Here is how, of course. The introduction of a Bitcoin ETF by a reputable financial giant like BlackRock could 1. Help stabilize the cryptocurrency market. It could lead to more regulated, structured, and less volatile investment options, which in turn could reduce the speculative nature of Bitcoin trading. 2. Boost investor confidence. In recent times, the cryptocurrency industry has suffered from a loss of trust due to the collapse of major crypto firms in 2022. And there's been a growing concern about the security and reliability of cryptocurrency transactions. This could bring a whole new level of legitimacy and trust to the world of Bitcoin and its digital cousins. BlackRock's move into this space signals a vote of confidence in the stability and potential of Bitcoin, which could reassure both institutional and retail investors. And it could lead to 3. Attracting reluctant investors. In fact, many investors have been hesitant to directly purchase Bitcoin due to its perceived high risk and the complexities involved in dealing with digital wallets and exchanges. So these people would begin to see a future in a BlackRock-backed Bitcoin ETF, which would provide a more familiar and regulated investment vehicle. Since investors would be able to gain exposure to Bitcoin through traditional investment channels without needing to understand the technicalities of cryptocurrency trading and storage. It could potentially attract a new segment of investors who were previously cautious about direct crypto investment. And BlackRock's potential Bitcoin ETF would not only introduce more investors to the world of cryptocurrencies, but also help in establishing Bitcoin as a more mainstream and stable investment option. This move could mark a significant step towards the integration of cryptocurrencies into the broader financial system. Are we looking at a world where traditional finance and crypto walk hand in hand? Or is this just a summer fling that'll fizzle out? Let me know your thoughts in the comments section. And there you have it, folks. We've journeyed through the curious case of Larry Fink's embrace of Bitcoin, a tale of skepticism turned into a potential crypto love story. But wait, there's more. If you think of Cathie Wood as a crypto oracle, then let's peer into her crystal ball to reveal the fate of Bitcoin by 2030. Up next, we've got Cathie Wood's insane 2030 Bitcoin projection. So click on to the other side and we'll catch you there in the next video.